First things first, this is the most painful in the ass by removing this. Very hard to remove because of the firewall. You don't have space, so it's like this. Show you the actual, and once you put it up, you will pull it here, and you can remove it slowly, and you can push the button and release it. This is what you need to have, 27mm here, and right here you need 30mm, just like this. Put it here on the top, right? And you need to have something like this to fit here, so that you're gonna screw it. That is the time you can pull it, right? I put a thread, this one, a thread, and lock it here, so that even if I drop this at the engine wall, I'll not lose it. I can just easily pull it up. And this is how I put it back again. I put my socket, and I'm gonna place it here. And make it tight. That's it. Whew.